It is a ratio of span to average chord. Aspect ratio is a ratio of span to average chord. Now this is 1, okay? Span ratio of span to average chord. अगर मैं ऊपर नीचे chord से मल्टीप्लाई करूं, पहला इक्वेशन ये है, अगर अब सेकेंड मैं ऊपर chord से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं, नीचे भी chord से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं. If I multiply on top and bottom chord, there is no harm in this क्योंकि 1 हो जाएगा कट के. But span into chord क्या होता है? Area. So AR is area upon chord का square. This is second equation. Okay. Now second. अभी let's multiply top and bottom with span. Span. So that will span into span, span का square upon chord into span, area. So this is third. AR is equal to span का square upon areas. Coefficient of induced drag इसी के नीचे है, ठीक है? Coefficient of induced drag CDI is equal to CL का स्क्वायर अपॉन proportional CL का स्क्वायर अपॉन AR. Coefficient of induced drag is proportional to CL का स्क्वायर अपॉन AR. इससे पॉइंट यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतना सा है, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. What is the relationship between induced drag and aspect ratio? If aspect ratio of any wing is higher, induced drag will always be lower. So aspect ratio determines the aerodynamic characteristic of the wing. If the wing produces very high induced drag, means this is not that efficient. Now you can figure out by knowing the aspect ratio of the wing. If aspect ratio is high, that means drag would be low. Induced drag would be low. So this aspect ratio determines the aerodynamic efficiency of any wing. So note point.